kind of written out, and it's trying to explain how you find what's called a combination. We're going to call this NCR. But basically, to find any term, let's say you want to find the fourth term of a plus b to the fifth power. What you do is you would say this up here is our row, so the row is 5. All right, so we're going to have or a row or n equals 5. That's how many powers. The term, you always subtract 1. So the term, which we're going to say is our r, is r equals term minus 1. So r would equal, in this case, 3. What you would do is you would say 5c3, NCR, 5c3 of a, and now if it's the third term that we're looking for, you take the power and you subtract it by your r. So 5 minus 3 is 2, b to the, and this one you add it. So this one stays the same, this one you subtract. You would type that in. Now, to type in the calculator, it'll actually look different. Our calculator, if you do NCR, it'll say NCR, but it'll do parentheses, and in the parentheses we'll do 5, 3, and then we would hit enter, and then at whatever the calculator gives us, you would add in the a squared b cubed at the end. So let's try some of these real quick. It says find the fourth term in this expansion. Now, so on this one, r is going to equal 4 minus 1, which is 3. So we're going to say, and this is right here our n equals 10. So we're going to say NCR, and I'll write it this way, the way the calculator does it. Your n goes first, n comma 3, and then what I will multiply that times is it would be a to the, you subtract, 7th, b to, this one stays the same, 3rd. Now b here is negative, so I actually need to put in negative b to the 3rd. Now I can't type this part in the calculator, so we'll just type this in, and then we'll get our answer here. So I'll go over to the calculator, and here's the button next to 9 has our NCR. I'm sorry, that's not there, it's the book. So when you hit the book, we come over here, and all of a sudden I've forgotten where it is. Well, I can't find it, so here's what we're going to do. We're just going to type it in. We'll type in NCR and do your parentheses, 10, comma 3. So the coefficient is 120. That means when we type this in, this right here is 120. This will become a to the 7th. And this will become negative b cubed. And then you multiply all these together. And so all that happens when we multiply these is we would get a value of negative 120 a to the 7th b cubed. That would be my term right here. Now you try and see if you can figure out this one.